Hey, again, in this video, I am ready with this question. This is also one of the most asked question in graded because nowadays the language based and combined form of type usually asked. So this is also one of the important one. So just read the question carefully and try to understand. But it's my duty, I'll make you understand through one small video. Just go through the scenario, try to understand what has been done over there. Okay?
Once there were three friends, Sunaina, Pratik, and Devasis. One day, Pratik wants to buy an old phone. So, Sunaina sells her old phone to Pratik at the loss of 8%. Pratik is happy with the phone. But at the same time, Devasis is also searching for an old phone. So he calls Pratik. Now Pratik is quite clever. And he sold the same old phone to Devasis at rupees 11,040, earning 20% profit. Now, the cost price of the phone for Devasis is 11,040, which was the selling price of the phone by Pratik. Then can you calculate cost price for Pratik and cost price for Sunaina?
Why not? This can be done easily by my students also. But Pratik and Sunaina are in confusion. So let's help them. Can't you do that one? No? Cannot? Okay, let it be. I'll help you how to write in systematic way in your note copy regarding that question. Okay, so obviously here are the case from Sunaina to Pratik, Pratik to Devasis. Which will you start? First of all, we start from the Devasis problem because here the amount given is for Devasis. That's why we are moving towards the first, actually the second scenario, that is the buying and selling done between Pratik and Devasis. So here for Pratik, that is Pratik to Devasis case, first case for Pratik, SP for Pratik is 11,040, which is the cost price for Devasis, isn't it? But for the Pratik, that is the selling price. And then profit on by the Pratik, he was clear, no? He wants to earn the 20% profit on that old one also. So profit was 20%. And we need to find out the cost price for the Pratik. So simply in this type of the questions, you know that our modified form will work a lot. That's why modified form means SP by CP equals to 100 plus profit percent by 100. Now just replace the values, add them 100 plus 20, 120, then only do the cross multiplication. So which one is missing? CP. So just multiply CP with 120, that becomes 120 into CP, and others also cross multiply to each other. Then we need the CP, so that's so that 120 will go there another side and becomes divide. Then do the calculation in calculator or at raw, you will get cost price equals to rupees 9200. Okay, and this is the cost price for Pratik, isn't it? Now we got the cost price of Pratik. Pratik had bought the mobile or phone from whom? From Sunaina. So now the second case is for Sunena. That is from Sunena to Pratik. Means whenever Sunena sold the mobile to Pratik. But at that time you know that selling price will be 9200. From where do this 9200 came from? Yeah, that is the cost price of the Pratik, and Pratik has bought from the Sunena. That's why Sunena's selling price will be the Pratik cost price, or simply Pratik cost price will be the Sunena's selling price. That's why SB becomes 9200 for Sunena. Now she got lost because of that old phone. 8% was the loss. What is missing here? Again the CP of Sunena. So again we follow the same technique of modified form. S is equals to this time the loss case. So 100 minus loss percentage by 100. Replace the values. Subtract it. You got 92. Then what do you do? Definitely the cross multiplication, 92 into CP and 9200 into 100. That means whenever you want to calculate CP, it becomes, that means 92, just go to the other side and becomes divide. Do it in calculator, you will get rupees 10,000. And that is the cost price for Sunena. And according to our question, we got both the answers of question number 1 and question number 2. So in this way, you have to start from that case in which your value has been provided. Sometimes you have to go reverse, Sunena to Pratik, and then only you have to go Pratik to Devasys. Just read the question carefully, whose information is provided to you at first, follow that information first, then definitely you are going on a right track. Pause the video, copy the solution. We'll meet on next video. Till then, it's me, your Ravi sir, signing off.